You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. I'm going to check out some snacks, or another snack that I showed on a previous video. These are the Calbee JagaRico Teriyaki and Cheese snack. Now, I, of course, never tried these before. That's why they are here. The bags caught my attention. It was a third bag, but it was out of stock. Otherwise, I would have grabbed it. I think it was ranch flavor or something like that. This is from a Japanese grocery store that I visited recently. Picked up a bunch of stuff. If you want to see all that, go to that previous video. Now, the teriyaki on the left is an orange bag, and then it has the word Jaga Rico, the J, the G, the R, the C in brown, and the AAICO in orange, and then it's got a border in white. Teriyaki in orange with a border in white, and then crunchy, crunchy, crunchy on the left in yellow, and it's little broken pieces there, so you can kind of... Ooh, it's very crunchy. And then you do see a bottle of teriyaki. Can you see that there? And also a little bowl. Maybe you can dip them in teriyaki. I don't know. That sounds good. They just look tasty. I'll turn that one around, so if there's anything you want to read there. And then the one on the right is a red bag. Those are cheese. Looks like cheddar cheese. And then the Jaga Rico again. The J, the G, the R, the C in green, and the AAICO in red, and then cheese in the middle with the color of the bread, and then the white border. If I said anything wrong there, I do apologize. It's just how I see it and how I call it. No mess. Flavored potato sticks. They look like French fries, but they're round. Let's see. Jaga Rico, a crunch elevated potato snack that's crunchy on the outside and crispy inside. The secret is pairing hearty potatoes with the savor teriyaki flavor. A popular Japanese barbecue, seriously crunchy, so delicious. Mouth is watering. Then the other one says, Jaga Rico, a crunch elevated potato snack that's crunchy on the outside and crispy inside. The secret is pairing hearty potatoes with bold and sharp cheddar cheese. Seriously crunchy and delicious. And then they have what looks to be a giraffe. The one on the left has an orange or a pink top. Almost looks like a robe. He's holding something in his hands. I don't know what he's saying. And the one on the right looks like a lady's hat with a bow and then a spotted blue dress. What are they saying? I have to get out my app to see. I have an app that'll translate that. I'll do it off camera just for now. Let's see. Translate. What does that say? There is no giraffe when I start eating. I don't know if that's translating correctly. Probably not. Whatever that means. But let's check them out. I'm here to taste, but I do like to describe things. Oh yeah, by the way, channel memberships are on. Actually, let me grab some bowls and I'll start up there. Okay, decided to just grab this instead of bowls, and I can just lay them out and we can look at them. Now, some of you may be saying, channel memberships, oh, what's he doing? Well, honestly, they've probably been on my channel for a while, and I just clicked the button one day and said, hey, what's this? Let me check it out. And that's what I did. So what's going to happen there is videos are going to go live before they go to everybody else. It's going to be the in crowd of people that are going to help me, hopefully. If they see something in a video, or maybe there's something in the description I need to fix, and then I'll make those videos live at a later date for the public. And yes, to subscribe, you do have to pay. I've been doing this for 15 years and haven't made a single change to the channel. And thought, well, I better hop on to something. Look at that. Now, this looks like beef jerky on the left. The teriyaki, it's brown. They look really good. The smell is good. It does smell like beef. It does smell like cheese. I'm so excited to try one. I would probably eat the teriyaki first. Let me just break it with my fingers. Okay. I've moved away from the camera so you don't hear that chewing as loud. Now that's an interesting concept. They are harder on the outside than the inside, but I guess that would make sense. It's a really nice crunch. and a very nice flavor of the teriyaki. Let me try this one. Backing up from the camera. So what does channel memberships get you? It'll get you a little badge. And then the creator and the members can communicate a little more consistently. I'm still trying to figure that out. I created all kinds of little badges based on how long you're a member. The first one's Little Sprout. So everybody's a little sprout. The cheddar cheese is not very strong flavor. Not as strong as these. And then, like I said, I can release a video which will go to the members first. But I'm going to move those out to the public. And I explained this in a previous video. That's because I sometimes have 15 to 20 videos queued up and ready. So if something's going on in my life, or I'm working on a project, and I can't get to making a video, I have them ready. I can just use the videos in my video queue. And I'm always prepared. But now those videos can be gaining some traction in the background before they go to everybody else. I'm going to do a combo. I think they're very good. Not too salty. This one I think is a little more salty than this one. Cheese flavor is not very pronounced in that, but the teriyaki is nice. All right, if you have any questions about channel membership, just ask them in the comment section. I will try to answer them for you. You don't have to do it. It's no big deal. I'm just trying to stay with the times. After 15 years, I'm trying to stay with the times. Even though the channel's been basically looked over, I think it's time to make some modifications. And there you go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Later. I'm going to finish these.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.